discuss about sa traffic management.
Under the Republic Act Number 10054, Motorcycle Helmet Act of 2009, this Philippine law that mandates that all motorcycle riders under passenger must wear standard motorcycle while driving to reduce motor fatalities and injuries or accidents. So,
Republic Act Number 10054, Motorcycle Helmet Act of 2009. So this Philippine law mandates that all motorcycle riders and their passengers must wear standard protective helmets while driving to reduce fatalities and injuries for accidents. And the second one is Republic Act Number 10586 or Anti-Drunk and Drug Driving Act of 2013. So this law penalizes drugs and similar substance aiming to promote road safety and responsible driving behavior. And the next one is Republic Act Number 10913 or Anti-Distracted Driving Act. So this law aims to prevent and penalize distracted driving, particularly the use of mobile phones and avoid activities that could impair their attention. And the last one is the Republic Act Number 10916 or Road Speed Limiter Act of 2016 will be discussed by my co-host.
under sa Republic Act Number 10916, kuhan siya, panalisalim, namo sa school, makimot na school, dapat ang inyong yung gamit sa yung motor or sa mga vehicular ninyo is 20 km/h sa gitna siya. Kay in case of na naayong estudyante nga magkabok is madali rin nyo siya break. If namo mo sa municipal roads, ang iyong dapat is 40 to 60 km/h sa gitna siya. If namo mo sa national road, pwede padagan dito 90 to 120 km